I am making a vegetable salad today, and I have some ingredients here already prepared. These are 5 cups of mixed vegetables that have been boiled, drained, and cooled. They include carrots, potatoes, peas, corn, green beans, celery, and lima beans. You of course can choose your favorite vegetables, and I use them out of a can, but you can use them fresh and boil them as well. I also have 6 large hard-boiled eggs that have already been cooled and peeled, as well as 2 small to medium-sized apples. So now I'm going to take the hard-boiled eggs and just grate them over the vegetables. And I will do the same thing with the apples. I will take the apples and just grate them over with the skin. We'll add some nice color and extra flavor. But look at this little fun guy. Look how beautiful grated eggs look. It's so pretty and fluffy. It's like shredded coconut or fluffy snow if it were shredded instead of snowflakes. It's just so airy and light. Beautiful. So as you can see here, the apples are grated thicker and longer than the eggs. So here we've got the apples. And then on the top here for comparison, I put a piece of the egg. It's much thinner, about same length, but a lot thinner than the apples. So otherwise, the apples will become applesauce, and you don't want that for this. So now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise to this, as well as 1 teaspoon of spicy brown mustard. I'm just using regular store-brand mayonnaise, but the mustard I'm using and I always use is spicy brown mustard by Kościuszko. It's just a typical standard Polish-American mustard. Looks like it's distributed by someone in Illinois, but a lot of Polish people use this mustard here in the States. So you can use any brown mustard you want. This one says spicy, but I cannot eat spicy food, and this one actually doesn't bother me. So it's not too spicy, actually. And then other than this, you'll add some seasonings. So salt to taste, depending on how much salt you like to use. Pepper to taste, depending on what you like. Blend it up. And then my favorite is some paprika. So it's just powdered paprika. This is what the final product looks like. I added 1 more teaspoon of the spicy mustard. I just wanted a little more kick on there. And then for garnish, I added some of the paprika as well as some parsley flakes. And I replated it. I put it into a new bowl just so it looks prettier and cleaned up. And now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours just so all the flavors get absorbed nicely, and so that when you get to enjoy it, it's nice and cold, because of course this salad tastes the best when it is cold. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Let me know if you have any questions. Follow me on Instagram at Treats by Dzioenna. I'm also on Snapchat. Let me know if you want my handle. Enjoy your food, most importantly.